Hello, I'm Renee.
And I'm Alice. We are going to explain question 13.
This is number 13. Two cars P and Q set out from the same point O as noon. Car P moves due north at a speed of 60 km per hour, while car Q moves due west at a speed of 45 km per hour. Find at 2 p.m. on the same day.
There are 2 hours between noon and 2 p.m. So we can know that car P has moved 120 km. While car Q has moved 90 km. Let's calculate part A first. So first we should calculate the angle QPO first. So we can use the formula tangent theta, which is opposite side over adjacent side, which is 90 over 120 km. And we can get the answer of 36.9 degrees, which is corrected to 1 decimal place.
As we have to calculate the whole circle bearing, we need to add 180 degrees to the answer. That is 36.9 plus 180. So we will get the answer of 216.9 degree. Correct to 3 significant figure. Sorry, it should be 1 decimal place. For part B, we will use Pythagoras theorem. Then we will get the answer of 150 km.
That's all our explanation. Thank you.